They roast their chocolate and coffee 40 minutes. Then after 40 minutes, you just put it in here. And what you will see coming outside here is dark chocolate, pure organic. You're gonna work this, please. Come on. You want me to work it? Yeah. But you're gonna do this way yourself. Two hands needed.
Two hands, let's go.
Hey, see yourself what is coming out?
Okay.
The dark chocolate.
Wow.
Hold on. Eso. Hey, you see that? Can you feel the way it smells? Ese es chocolate puro. Así se hace el chocolate de verdad. Hey, come on, applause everybody. You're good, you're good. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Open your hands.
No, I get first choice. I did the work.
Come on. No, but I was supposed to give you first. You're good. Lady, when you took the coffee, I saw your palm. You know? May I tell you something? You can tell everybody if I'm correct, yes or no. But always, this gentleman too much complain about his job. Am I correct?
Say it one more time.
He always complaining too much about his job.
Incorrect.
Because you got your own factory, your own company. That's right? I know that. Okay, good. Okay, please. Un poquito de chocolate. Chocolate para todos. Every time I see you, I see you like Sammy I feel confused about you. Trust me. I feel a little bit confused about you. Hey, but I want to ask you, have you seen Sammy Sosa today?
He's the one that you bake.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, did it, yeah. This is dark, remember, huh? No sugar, no nothing. It's just the best Dominican chocolate. Someone else, please? I'm still have chocolate over here. Someone else, please? Come on, try it, everybody. You will like this. I just gave it to you only the best. Milton loves his family. Ven a probar un poquito. Ustedes saben que aquí tenemos el chocolate puro. Someone else? Hey, you want me to do this? You eat first the black chocolate. Save your stomach. May I put a little bit organic or sugar to this one?
Yes.
Then I give you sweet chocolate.
Thank you.
Let me mix this one. See? Type of sugar used here. Listen, white sugar have a lot of chemicals, but not this one, huh? Is that right? Yes.
¿Café?
Chocolate puro este. Mira un terroncito de azúcar ahí para usted.
Gracias.
¿Quieres chocolate, mi amor? Someone else? Chocolate? Sweet chocolate? Sweet one, eh?
Coffee.
No one else, please? Sweet chocolate. I won't finish this one, eh? Come on. Who's need a little bit more? Who's need a little bit more chocolate? Sweet chocolate. Somebody need
Café por aquí, coffee.
I'll figure some more here. Nobody else? Okay, go drink your coffee. Yeah, I get it.
Café por aquí, coffee.
Coffee. Still some more. One more. That's what I did. I'm fucking you don't know it.
Café por aquí, coffee.
Mira aquí. Hey, I didn't show you the way Milton drink a coffee because this coffee is good to stop headache. When you wake up in the morning and you start doing a headache, have a black coffee, organic coffee like this. Yeah. The only thing is that I put just a little bit sugar to my coffee. See? Yeah, I do like this. Well, you put a little bit sugar? I did. See, I'm gonna put a little bit sugar to my coffee.
Café, coffee.
So that way my coffee tastes better.
Yeah, me too.
Because it's too strong.
Café por aquí,
Do that,
coffee.
please. You will like it. Next one. Next one.
Missing the sugar.
Hey, if you're interested, try some of the fruit the lady has for you. It's a good idea.
Coffee.
Camera is, yeah. She have a grapefruit. She has star fruit. And if you are very kind, give your wife a piece of banana. You got here. Come on, take this. It tastes like sugar. It is the best. Sweet banana because no pesticides on. You get this from the farm. Straight from the tree.
They need a lot of sugar. Should win 3 scoops. That's in my sweet loaf.
Star fruit. Know the only way you can understand how it tasted. Listen, star fruit is good medicine for insulin. We'll give you back insulin for your body. Star fruit. That's star fruit. Recuerden, mis hermanos, que quienes quieran ayudar a la señora de manera voluntaria lo pueden hacer.
Chị không có tiền, không có tốn tổng á, tông tập đến nó cái cực. Đầu kêu hồ. Đầu bỏ đồ này chỉ là mình có thích kia.
Okay, folks, ladies and gentlemen, Milton family, a lovely family. It's time for us to go to the pharmacy. Pharmacy for the farmers. That's where we only have organic products. Make a place in your stomach because somebody told me they cook some chocolate milk for you. The one used for cholesterol. Okay, we have that. Please follow Milton. Don't stop on the way.
You're walking up here.
Of tobacco. Two tobaccos are from the Dominican Republic, one from Cuba, and the last one used outside is from Connecticut, United States. Connecticut border to Boston. That is the best tobacco farmer, the best wrappers, because the leaves are very different than the leaves of this country. If I show you this one is Connecticut. If I show you this one are Dominican. If you see the Dominican, looks like stronger leaves. Connecticut fine leaves. Huh? Then, when he mixed the first three kinds of tobacco, he roll it. He's supposed to pour it in here. I say supposed because now his experience is nice, and then anyway he roll it. But the cigars have to be expanded here 40 or 45 minutes pressing until cigars get really hard and compact. Then after that is the time to use the last tobacco, which is the one imported from USA, Connecticut. The glue he's gonna use is natural, made of sugar cane and papaya. When you put cigars like those on your lips, no irritation, better, good flavor on your lips. Something else. Did you see this we have over here? And many over there? You know whose they are? Somebody know that? Say, you know that. Stem. Stem from the leaves. This is 85% nicotine that people smoke. We take this off. When you light one of those cigars, then you only smoke 15% nicotine. In Cuba, cigars are very strong because they rubs everything. At least we hold that part, huh? That's why when you smoke Cuban cigars, you get like this, but not Dominican cigars. So because of that, Dominican Republic get the first place better than Cuba in the last competition made in French by DuPont. DuPont take care about tourists in the world. They give us 2 first place, cigars and vanilla. And that's good for us, huh? Then, every time he made
đầu tiên kìa chỉ cần sẽ là mấy không bị cho nên là
Okay. You gotta roll it up and pepper. You can take that. Okay.
mình vô không chuyện đồ đồng không mà sẽ tự mình sẽ được hoa chiều nó cũng đâu cơ đó mà không đồn đâu số Không là đâu chuyện đâu đây nè. Để mới đi thương nông lên coi nó nọ. Cửa sổ này. Hello, đâu giờ lại chọn
I seen that tamarind was getting out. I said, Lord, do I got tamarind in my shirt?
nó đâu chút giờ luôn.
And I seen it sitting right out there. Yep.
Nói là có thể là cái cục chua nữa. Đi mua lên cổ. Ở nơi này. Sao đi được ta la.
Don't fix my No, ma'am. No, thank you. No, thank you. How much mommy eat? How much?
If we get all three, we get a discount.
You don't want us to do something, no?
If we get all three, how much?
Người ta làm không có cái đó sửa chỉ là không có cửa cái sửa. Khơi đã đè nè nó. Mình có cơ hội để mình thấy như ổ đội dân ổ đội dân nào như đó chỉ là 20 bạc này.
Mais tu veux te lancer dans le cigare Tu te lances en feuille de tabac parce que quand tu veux ça. Vu qu'il y a une boutique.
Gracias.
Ở đây nếu mà tôi có gì á?
Xí.
Dạ.
Không có xí. Na. Lọt vào nó.
Nhưng mà ôi tôi rồi lại lỡ tôi nói như bố rồi nha cháu đôi giờ thôi.
Đấy, chỉ múc của ốc thủ để đây.
Rửa tôi lọ. Thì có cháu đôi giờ thôi.
就靠这那么对这不要的，就可以这么做了呀，这么做了。呀，不么叫这么什么？不么叫这么看苦，或者就不么那么咋就看不这呢？就不么就老上了就那么，要怎么忙就不么，从不么就不么搞，然后么，那我对这了玩不也好，就好谈的说。
Thì mà mấy tôi vậy tôi vái hình đó.
Sửa sửa.
Mà chị tao luôn đấy.